Dahua SMB Factory Solution, a safe and efficient factory. The Dahua SMB Factory Solution offers a brand new entrance and exit control system that can efficiently identify vehicles and manage a large number of people, enabling a flexible access control management, preventing illegal intrusion, and improving safety in the factory. Its perimeter protection function can immediately detect outsiders, automatically track and zoom in on the target, and promptly send alarms to deter them. This solution also offers clear recording of videos and audio to avoid any potential risk. Its comprehensive monitoring coverage enables users to observe the work situation in the factory from multiple perspectives without missing any detail. With real-time surveillance and early warning function, it can also help prevent fire in the factory. It provides 24/7 monitoring and management of equipment and sends pop-out prompts in case of any abnormal situation through its alarm linkage function. Dahua SMB Factory Solution unlock new ways of cooperation.